Welcome to Session 18. Fraction multiplication becomes efficient with a fixed sequence. Common denominators are unnecessary, but mixed numbers must be converted correctly. Today you will decide the sign, convert mixed numbers, cancel common factors, multiply, and simplify. Use the sequence sign, convert, cancel, multiply, simplify. For negative 2/3 times positive 9/4, different signs make the product negative. Cancel the factor 3 from 9 with the denominator 3, and cancel 2 with 4. The remaining magnitude is 3/2, giving negative 3/2. A mixed number such as -1 and 1/2 means negative 3/2. Evaluate -1 and 1/4 times 2/5. Step 1. Convert -1 and 1/4 to -5/4. Step 2. Different signs predict a negative product. Step 3. Cancel 5 with 5 and 2 with 4 before multiplying. Therefore, the product is -1/2. Check. 1 and 1/4 times 2/5 is about 1/2, so the scale is reasonable. Evaluate -3/7 times -14/9. Step 1. Same signs predict a positive result. Step 2. Cancel 14 with 7 to leave 2, and cancel 3 with 9 to leave 1/3. Step 3. Multiply the remaining factors 2/3. Therefore, the product is positive 2/3. Heck, two positive magnitude factors below and above 1 can reasonably produce 2/3. A common error is finding a common denominator before multiplying. Multiplication combines factors, so equivalent denominators are unnecessary. Use the correct method, convert any mixed numbers, cancel across numerator and denominator, then multiply. Therefore, cancellation reduces arithmetic without changing the value. A scale model applies -3/4 of a change across 2 and 1/2 time units. Step 1. Convert 2 and 1/2 to 5/2. Step 2. Different signs make the product negative. Step 3. Multiply -3/4 by 5/2 to get -15/8. Therefore, the total scaled change is -1 and 7/8 units. Let us recap. Use sign, convert, cancel, multiply, and simplify. For a quick check, consider -4/5 times 15/8. Different signs give negative. Cancellation leaves -3/2. Keep learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridgedoexam.com for the full lesson, practice questions, and instant feedback.